I'm Genesis Chica Cruz from Indiana Aerospace University. I'm already second year SRM. After 4 months, I'll graduated now, and I'm so blessed because they've been supporting me in my education, my studies, for 2 years, and in my allowances. And I would like to thank them. Ate Margie said she was the girlfriend of Sir Craig, and she told me that I was so very blessed because I was the only one college student that they will sponsor, and the next future they will only support elementary and the high school students.
I live in Inobora, Cebu, and studied in Langtad National High School. One of the scholar of Angel Nicolay. Atungod ni Craig, Ate Margie, kaya wag dili ko maamod dili ko maka-continue sa study. I-promise mo sila nga, kuan ko no, sa ekonomiya na, maka-graduate ko high school, kay to college yun. Dako ko yun siya matabang, kay makatabang na ko sa akong parents, sa akong gusto ko. Salamat ko yung Craig sa Ate Margie na gasto na ako din. Ang nag-eskwela ra sa oras ang mga mga proham. Muna, usay ka nang gano'n ka ng mga allowance nila Ate Margie. Ma-share sila ko sa mga sumbang na may sila kinahanglan. Kay i-enjoy ko ang ilahang pagkuhan nila mo. Bakit sila salit mo. Huwag yung kanang thankful kayo misaga. Kan si Craig o si Margie.
Thank the Angel Nicolay Foundation. They always support us, our studies. After I finish my studies, I would like to help also an education for the next student that they come to sponsor.
Macarisas. I live in Ponce Compound, Barangay Carita. I'm studying in CCSDC, taking up of caregiver. Ako sa scholar sa Angel Nicolay. Siya ay nagpatiwas eskwela, nakagraduate ko tungod lang sa Angel Nicolay. Pero naka-college ko tungod sa Angel. Kung ang Angel Nicolay, wala jud dili ko ka tiwas sa eskwela kay both of my parents is kanang may job gani, may trabaho.
Dili chukas pila kung wala Angel Nicolay Foundation. Kung wala ni siya, wala ni continue sponsor sa ako. He was the one who offered friend si Kuya Craig na maka-help siya namo bitaw. Nice kayo nga kana ilhang gi-offer sa ako nga maka-continue pa din ko eskwela. So 2 years na karon nga hapit na ko mo man eskwela.
I am Arnel Almudel from Tabagak, Cebu. I'm 17 years old, 4th year. Going to Madrileños National High School. I'm the scholars of Angel Nicolay's Trust Incorporated. Ilang gitabangan sa akong pag-eskwela. Ako mo-eskwela ko para makatabang sa akong ginikanan, makatabang sa kapag tao na mingalan na siguroon ko yun na makuman ako sa akong pag-eskwela.
To help my parents. Matapos na ko, kanang aklasag ang makapastali sa akong mga panghod. Then, magbutang ang good ako ang parents nang ayaw mo yung gani, kaya makakaulo sila. Bipayin ako na. Thank God kay Yanggi, himid aman, like Kuya Craig, nga ready to help for people like us. Then, thank you sa guy ni Ate Margie. Kuya Craig, thank you for all, Kuya Craig, what you have done in my family. For us, you are a special gift from God. Then, thank you for all, Kuya Craig. I hope you always have a good condition, and wherever you are, God will always guide and protect you. And to Ate Margie, this is again. Thank you kayo, Ate Margie. I will be